Hello, World Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza.
Is this for takeout or delivery?
Delivery.
Yes, it will be $17.55 and the driver will be there in about 40 minutes.
A sales order begins usually the moment a customer places an order. In most cases, the order could be a simple purchase request, coming via email, or by calling the sales department asking for a particular product or service. It can be a finished good, like electronics, a car, a t-shirt, or an unfinished good which should be produced first, like in our case a pizza. Alright. So let's have a look how this case starts in sales by the World Pizza. So the first things that happens is that the hungry customer calls the office and orders a pizza. The sales department, which is presented by Nadia, takes the order, and after that she goes in the system and she start putting this on sales order. Okay, let's see how she does that.
So I am Nadia, the salesperson at World Pizza, and I will take you through this process step by step. Now we gonna go through creating a sales order for the hungry customer. Okay. Let's jump to the system. If I go to the Business Central, I click New Sales Order. Then I pick the customer number, or I can type directly the name of the customer, which is the hungry customer. As you can see, Business Central pulls over the content from the customer card onto the sales order itself. Next, I will put a date in the field, request delivery date. So in the call that I received from the hungry customer, it was specified on which date he would want to receive the pizza. Generally, I put for a pizza always today, but he can order his pizza for tomorrow or on a later date if he want. So, I put today as requested date. Let's choose the 11th of June. The next thing I have to do is to put in the line of the sales order the item, which means that I will select here which item or which product I want to sell, or to specify on the line. And I want to specify the pizza margherita. Then we put in the quantity 1. The hungry customer wanted to purchase a pizza margherita, and we have agreed that to a price of 17.55 Swiss franc. It can be dollars or euro, or whatever the price is. So, actually all I have to do is just to release the sales order. And my job is then finished.